Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you best indicator in MT4 and for binary option and forex trading. So first of all, please subscribe my channel for next indicator and next video update. And some people unsubscribe my channel. I don't understand why people unsubscribe me. So no problem. So here is the indicator name is thunder signal. I can extract this indicator, okay, and you can indicator link in my description box. You can click and go to my website, and website are some ads, but no problem, you can click download and simply click download and go to Google Drive, and you can show this indicator and you can download it. Or next you can set up this, extract this file, and here is the indicator, and you can copy this indicator and go on MT4 software and click file, open data folder and click MQL4, click indicator and Control B. Indicator file is here, and reload this software, okay, and open 1 minute chart and insert this indicator custom and thunder TTTT, okay, thunder RST S thunder here is the, and click allow all deal import, okay, and okay, and here is the good signal, and this is the binary signal is when market show up upper arrow, and you can trade on 5 minutes for upper direction, and when signal downward direction you can trade on 5 minutes for down direction trade, okay. Always follow money management, and this indicator best for forex trading, okay. You can download it and try, and first of all you can try on demo account, then you can try on real account, okay. Here is the thunder signal, and wait when is my signal appears here, you can trade on 5 minutes or forex trade in long time, okay, no problem. You can download it, and please support my channel and